Number 10, you're going to describe and write the rule for the rotation. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to grab one of the points first. So let's look at n. So n was originally -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -5, and the point was 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. And it went undergoing to make n prime, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, comma, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, so this is when any point of x comma y will arrow, it flips, and the x changes sign, so it becomes -x comma y. Okay, so this looks like when the x, this is at 90-degree clockwise, so it went like this. Yep, good. All right, let's do the next one. Let's grab u. U was -1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -5 comma -1. It's going to go undergoing to make u prime, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 comma 1. So, oh, hey, look, the points just changed signs. So x comma y just became -x comma y. So that is a 180 clockwise or counterclockwise rotation. All right, C, we grab the point. Let's grab T. Don't grab anything on the axis, okay? T was 1, 2, 3, 3 comma 1. It's going to undergo to make T prime, which is -3 comma -1. Right? Let's see. Hold on, let me double check. 3 comma 1 became -3 comma 1. Oh wow, so here the x and the y also just change. X comma y will arrow -x comma -y, right? So that is a, right here, that is a 180 clockwise or 180 counterclockwise, right? Wow. B, C, I think also D is also that. Let's double check, okay? Y is the point -1, -1, -2, -3, -4, -4 comma 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That's undergoing to make y prime, which is, what is it, 1, 2, 3, 4 comma 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. Oh wow. So the point x comma y will undergo a transformation that it becomes -x comma -y. -4 became a +4, the +4 became a -4. This again is a 180 clockwise rotation. So turns out B, C, and D were all 180 clockwise rotation. A was the only one that was a 90 degrees clockwise rotation. Or technically you could also say 270 counterclockwise rotation.